Now that we've learned what monohybrid crosses are, we need to focus on practicing more with Punnett squares. Once you master a Punnett square, you can solve any type of monohybrid cross. So let's start with something we're familiar with first. Let's say we have two dogs that are heterozygous for fur color. What percentage of their offspring will be brown? So let's start with the first part of this statement. Two dogs, both heterozygous for fur color. We have in fur color, to simplify things, let's just say there's only the black fur allele, big B, and the brown fur allele, little b. And if both dogs are heterozygous, the cross looks something like this. So we do as we did before, we find out the gamete possibilities for each individual. So each individual can have a black fur allele gamete and a brown fur allele gamete, same thing over here. And now you can place the gamete possibilities on the top for the first individual and on the side for the second individual. And fill it out big B, big B, big B, little b, big B, little b, little b, little b. Now you know the genotypes, you can also figure out the phenotypes as shown here. So you have 3 black dogs and 1 brown dog. So to answer the question, how many brown dogs will be in the offspring, 1 out of 4 dogs, or 25% of the offspring, is predicted to have brown fur. And once again, notice the 1 to 2 to 1 genotype ratio and the 3 to 1 phenotype ratio. Again, this only happens when you're crossing 2 heterozygous individuals. Let's look at a different type of monohybrid cross that doesn't involve 2 heterozygous individuals. What if you're crossing big A, little a with big A, big A? Again, start with the gametes. What are the gamete possibilities? You can have a big A gamete and a little a gamete. And for this one, you only have one gamete possibility because there's only one type of allele, the big A allele. So you put big A, little a, big A, and you can actually just completely discard this bottom row because you don't need it. And now you can fill it out big A, big A, big A, little a. So keep practicing with your Punnett square. Super useful tool. Another one you can try by yourself, big B little b by little b little b. You can pretty much just come up with random letter combinations to practice on your own. And once you've mastered Punnett squares, genetics probability becomes super easy.